The Gardiner wi his Paidle, the Gardiner with his hoe. This was written to a tune that Burns found in a book by James Aird, who was a collector of tunes in Glasgow. He had a little music store and he'd print and sell these books called A Selection of Scotch, Irish, English, and Foreign Airs. Burns had his first 4 volumes and wrote a lot of songs to tunes from that book. This one has a personal aspect because Burns' dad started out as a gardener. He was trained in the profession. We'd call it a landscaper now. He took care of grounds. He came down from the northeast of Scotland. He was from Kincardineshire and went down into Ayrshire in southwest Scotland and met a younger woman at a hiring fair named Agnes Brune. This was Burns' mother. They had 7 children. Burns was the first. And then he became a market gardener, growing vegetables for market, William Burns, and then tenant farmer. So I think this is a portrait of his dad in his happiest times. When a rosy May comes in wi' flowers to deck her gay green spreading bowers, then busy, busy are his hours, the Gardiner way as Paidle. The crystal waters gently fall, the merry birds are lovers all. The scented breezes round him blaw, the Gardiner way is Paidle. When purple morning starts the hare to steal upon her early fare, then through the dews he maun repair, the Gardiner way is Paidle. When day expiring in the west, the curtain draws o' nature's rest. Flies to her arms, he lose the best, the Gardiner way is Paidle. The Gardiner way is Paidle by Robert Burns. Please subscribe to my channel. I've got a playlist. I've got over 180 Burns songs up now. Got about that many more to go. Be well. Please like, subscribe, share, all those good things. Trying to build something here. So that people have that tune, but they don't have it from Aird's book, which is, I think, a little better set of it.